and welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. Today I'm going to show you around this Volkswagen Passat. This is the 1.4 petrol GTE finished in Harvard blue metallic paint. At the front you've got your LED lights. And I'll show you the alloy wheels. Really nice condition. You've got the blue brake calipers they add with the GTE theme. You've got your chrome window surrounds and roof rails with your rear tinted windows. It's in a really lovely condition. It's been really well looked after. Round to the back. You can see you've got a tow bar, so you can tow your family caravan if you're going on holiday. You've got a really good sized boot, so you definitely get your weekly shop in there. I'll bring you around to the passenger side. And I'll open up the back so you can see the space on the inside. We'll make a perfect family car. You've got the rear sunblinds, so you can pull them up on the windows. And plenty of space in there for everyone. So I'll get on in the inside of the car and I'll show you what it's like. So in the inside you've got your sat-nav system with all your radio. You've got DAB radio. Really easy to use. You've got front heated seats and then there's all your climate control. This one's automatic. You've also got driver mode selection, so you can choose between the different options. Just depends on how you want the car to feel when you're driving it really. You've also got your electronic park and brake and auto hold. Onto your multifunction steering wheel, you have got cruise control, adaptive cruise control, front assist, automatic lights and heated and folding door mirrors. And I'll just give you a close-up of the seats. Really nice, they've got quite a nice luxurious feel to them, really comfortable as well. So I do hope you like the car. If you are interested or you've got any questions, please just give us a call. Thank you.